Hello. I'd just like to mention that I have a gaming channel now. I actually got a PC, so now I can actually do gaming videos, and I have a separate gaming channel. Yeah, just if you look on like the new video, there might be a little problem with the frame rate, but I'll fix that up, and the frame rate on the audio. But yeah, I'd just like to mention that. Feel free to visit it. I'll be doing RuneScape, or maybe not RuneScape, maybe a little bit. I'll be doing mainly Minecraft, RimWorld, Frostpunk, a few different PC exclusives, maybe a bit of Stardew Valley, a bit of Fortnite. As you can probably see, I've done a little bit, just to test it out. But I don't have any games besides Fortnite on my PC yet. But once I get Minecraft and all those kinds of games, I'll be making those videos, like Let's Plays. And also tomorrow, I'm going to make the Fortnite stream is going to be an hour or two long. It's going to be, so a fairly large stream with a larger YouTuber. He's my friend, called Crunchy. Yeah, we're just going to be streaming together, playing a bit of Fortnite, having a bit of fun. But if any of that interests you, feel free to go see what it's about. Anyways, thanks for watching.